So this video is probably going to be more of a DIY than a DIY video, but we are going to be putting a carbon fiber shell on this carbon fiber shell, or really more like carbon fiber. But the reason I'm doing it is because up here I have some damage and I can see it every time I drive and it drives me nuts. So we're going to cover it up. Now the cool thing about this is it will actually probably look pretty good, although it will look very 90s Fast and Furious, but I guess that's the era I grew up in, so fine with that. But if I ever got sick of it, I can just yank it off. I can get another one. I can paint it any color I want, so it doesn't have to be carbon fiber, but today it's going to be carbon fiber. Now, these things can be picked up for just about any car at a very, very low cost on mostly Amazon. I'll have a link for this one so you can check it out. This is a Chevy Colorado, but like I said, you can get it for pretty much any car. First thing we need to do, I have this little thing right here, which should just come off. I actually didn't leave any residue, so that's good. Now this thing is held on with 3M tapes. Like I mentioned before, you can just pull this thing off with a little bit of heat and yanking it, so it's not like it's on there forever, if you don't want it to be. We're going to take some rubbing alcohol and just do a really quick go around and clean all the surfaces that this thing has got to stick to, and then we're going to dry it off. Rubbing alcohol dries really quick, so you should be able to do this pretty fast. Next, we have all these little 3M bits. We just got to get in there and get the red backing off of them. All right, so I've got all the backing off. Now all I got to do is just put it on here and push. Now, am I going to regret doing this? Probably. If it wasn't me doing it and it was somebody else, would I make fun of him for it? Also, probably. Does my dash look better? Probably. So that was my very quick and easy how to kind of upgrade your dash, and it actually doesn't look as bad as I thought. So if you like this video, give it a great big thumbs up. If you think this is the dumbest thing I've ever done to my truck, also give it a great big thumbs up. It would help out the channel. Now I've got a lot more serious car DIY stuff on the channel, not hokey stuff like this. So check us out, hit that subscribe button and all that good stuff. And of course, thanks for watching.